On to this now. The ANC Youth League Johannesburg region, accompanied by its provincial leadership, handed over a memorandum to Cartrack South Africa at the company's Rosebank office earlier today, and this was following the death of employee Gcina Dladla. The incident has sparked widespread public debate after allegations emerged that Dladla, who had reportedly informed her employer that she was unwell, was instructed to remain at work before later passing away in a bathroom at the company's office. Cartrack has since denied the allegations, while police investigations into the matter do continue.
Mbukeke sikhona la eRosebank lapho kukhona ke iCartrack South Africa egatsheni la khona la eRosebank nokuyilapho ke okwenzeke khona isigameko sokushona komunye wabasebenzi balenkampani oshoneleke esemsebenzini ngalo usuku lwangomgqibelo okugcina Dladla wakhona lapha emndeni eSoweto. Kanti ke lokhu seqhubuleke umsindo ikakhulukazi kusukela einkundleni zokuxhumana nasemphakathini nje uqobo njengoba sibona namhlanje iANC Youth League yakhona la ke eGoli naseGauteng iphumeke ngobuningi bayo ukuzobhikisha nokuzwalisa ke ungenami kwayo ngokushona kwakhe ke uGcina Dladla eshonela emahhovisi alenkampani yize ke ayekubikile ukuthi ke akaphathekile kahle. Lokho ke ongunobhala weANC Youth League khona la ke eGauteng uyeke wakubalula ukuthi bazizwa kanjani ngalomshophi owehlele umndeni kaDladla.
We believe that the company is responsible for her death because she indicated on the morning, Saturday morning when she came to work, that she's not feeling well. And they just told her that she can just go and lie or sit in the toilet. Instead of giving her a day off, they just told her to go and sit at the toilet up until she met her untimely death.
Uqhuba ngokuthi ke basanezikhalo ngendlela ke lenkampani esebenza ngayo ikakhulukazi ngokuletha amalungelo ngokulingana kubasebenzi bayo bebonke.
We know that workers are given a different treatment. We know that they are not allowed the necessary leaves. We know that there are issues of salaries and their bonuses are affected. And we are here to say Gcina's death could have been avoided.
Mbukeke lo isikhulu esiphezulu salenkampani uyeke waphawula naye njengoba ke ebezosayina ke uhlu lwezikhalazo obelethwe yona ke iANC Youth League egatsheni laseGoli.
First and foremost, our thoughts are with the Dladla family. We are here to support them and cooperate with authorities. We met with the Dladla family yesterday. We fully engaging with them. We working together with them and doing a full and transparent investigation.
uGcina Dladla kuzokhumbuleka ke mbukela ukuthi kwavela einkundleni zokuxhumana ukuthi wayebikile ke ukuthi akaphathekile kahle nokuthi ke okwabese kuvela inkampani yamyalela ukuthi ke akahambe ke eyohlala endlini yangasese nokwagcina sekuphela ngokuthi ke egcine ke esephangalala kuyona le nkampani. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kube komqondisi Miyeni ngiseRosebank.